If you have ever tried affirmations and thought, I've heard of these before, but I don't really know what I'm supposed to do with them, you're not alone. Most people know the word affirmations, but they've never been shown how to actually use them. Hello, if we haven't met yet, I'm Rhonda Dillard, and I love helping ambitious women just like you learn how to manifest your very best health and financial freedom with intentional daily habits and cutting edge wellness tools. And today, I want to talk to you about why affirmations matter, why they sometimes don't work, and how to use them in a way that fits into your life. Okay? Here's something that might surprise you. The most successful people who have ever lived, athletes, leaders, visionaries, they use affirmations every single day. And not because they're pretending, not because they're perfect, but because they understand something very powerful. What you tell yourself over and over again becomes familiar, right? And what becomes familiar starts to feel true. Affirmations are not magic words, they are directional words. They point your mind where you want to go instead of where it's been stuck. And now a lot of people say, I don't believe the words yet, or whatever. That's okay. You can fake it till you make it. Sometimes you do have to say it before you fully believe it, right? That's not lying to yourself, that's training your mind. Um, One of the easiest ways to do this is very simple. And I do this. Write your affirmation on a post-it note or on a card or whatever, and put it in your bathroom. And while you're brushing your teeth, say those words on your card over and over in your mind. You're going to be standing there anyway, right? So you might as well use the time wisely. Or take that affirmation and turn it into a short phrase and use it as a mantra during your meditation. That's really smart too, and I use that a lot as well. Um, we talked about mantras in a previous video, and if you'd like to see that, just comment mantra and I'll point you to it. Now, let's talk about how your body is connected with all of this, because this is where everything really makes sense. Every single one of us wants to be healthy. We don't want to have disease and be unfit, right? And to do that, we have to start paying attention to when our body is stressed. Because stress isn't just emotional, it's physical, right? It's part of you. And when your body is stressed, your breathing is shallow, your shoulders are tight, your thoughts race, and when that's happening, it's hard for any new thought to land anywhere, right? That's why mindset and body always works together. I want to share something personal with you, something new that I've been doing. In the morning, I get up earlier than actually get out of bed. Um, and I mix my nitro into my water and drink it before I meditate. Nitro is just a simple packet of powder that you mix into your water, and within 10 minutes, I can feel it working. During those 10 minutes, I do my deepest breathing, I repeat my mantra, and I go into my visualization. And what I've noticed is this: my thoughts are clearer, my mood is better, seems to lift, and my meditation and visualization feel stronger, more amplified. And it makes sense because deep breathing brings more oxygen into the body, right? Nitro supports circulation, which helps that oxygen get where it needs to go, especially in your brain. And more oxygen means clearer thoughts. Clearer thoughts means make affirmations, meditation, and visualization work together instead of, kind of fighting each other. It's really been an incredible experience. I've been doing this for about a month now. And if you're curious about nitro or our biohacking body pill, just comment tools and I'll help you figure out what makes sense for you. Now, before you go, here's your daily intentional step for today. Choose one supportive statement. about your body. Just one. Something simple like, my body is learning, my body is responding, my body is on my side. Say it quietly in your mind while brushing your teeth, or use it as your mantra in meditation, okay? Small words repeated often, that's how change begins. And you will see a difference so quickly. And listen, I want to say this to you as a friend, okay? You are not behind, and you are not too old, you are not broken, and you don't need to overhaul your life to feel better. Okay? You just need the right support, the right structure, the right encouragement. And if you don't want to do this alone anymore, come join us inside the Mind and Metabolism Reset group. The link's in my bio, and I'll put it below. You already know why. I mean, what doesn't work, right? This is where you stop trying to figure out in your head and start giving yourself a real shot. And whether you jump in today or you're just listening quietly, I'm really glad you're here with me. Come back tomorrow and let's do it again. Y'all have a great afternoon. And it's still Happy New Year.